guys, we're about to board my favorite part of the cruise right here. Here we go, guys. Boarding time. Alright everybody, welcome to Jeffrey's Adventures, and we are on another adventure. We just grabbed a cab at the airport and we're headed to another cruise ship. See you guys in a sec. Check it in now. See you soon. Bye-bye. So we're just waiting to get on the ship now. We're just hanging out in the lounge. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Yeah. All right, another day, another cruise. Here we go, guys. All right, guys. We're about to board my favorite part of the cruise right here. Here we go, guys. Boarding time. Alright guys, we're on the ship. There it is. Oh, gorgeous. I love it, Adrian. Yes, hello. And Adrian is gorgeous. Look at that. Alright, we are on the ship. We are dropping off our luggage at our room. And we are then gonna go get our muster drill done. And then go have some lunch. And of course, we'll bring you along. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, so this is Riviera Deck 733, and this full-size closet, and then your safe is inside this closet here, and plenty of shelving, more than adequate. The restroom with, oops, there's a light, and you have a rather large shower, and 3 shelving, and I love that they have the Lotus Spa hand soaps and lotion. And then down below you have your toiletry and shelving, and then your restroom with plenty of towels, and then you have your muster station instructions behind your door. And then we have a big screen TV on the wall. It looks like it's about a 55-inch. And then a queen-size bed. It's very pretty with more than adequate. No USB charges, though, at the bedside on this ship. A nice vanity area and a mini bar. A refrigerator right here. And so it's just a chill, not refrigeration. So it's not going to be a refrigerator. A 2-seat couch that turns into a Pullman. So the third person, if there's 3 people with you. And then the oversized balcony, which is huge. You have a dance out here. So you've got 2 lounge chairs. Those are just 2 chairs that allow you to have a footstool. So that's kind of cool. And it goes all the way around. And then your view over the balcony, which is my favorite part, is the aft. That's kind of cool. And then above us has one more deck of people. Next, this room right here is the corner unit, which you can also share this. If you had the suite next door, you can share this facility, make a huge corner balcony. And that has a dining room set. That's how big that one is. All right. So it looks like I got a crooked. That's crooked. I'll make it straight for y'all. And then, like I said, there's only on a switch. There's no USB hidden anywhere. But there's plenty of extra shelves down below and on both sides. And they also have a drawer here with a hair dryer. And then if you have the drink package, you don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. But you can also have a one-time fill if you have concierge, and the concierge is right outside down the hall from here, if you buy that package as well. So that's really it. You got your old-fashioned thermostat, cold and hot, really simple to use. Other than that, this is the room tour for Jeffrey. All right, we'll come back and see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Alright guys, I am gonna go up on deck and see what's going on the pool deck. Let's go check it out. So the layout is almost the exact same to the Royal Princess and the Majestic Princess. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely. There you go guys. How cool is that? Alright, so they're showing the water features over here. I'll show you that. I'll go over there. So this is where on the Majestic Princess, this is where they did the dance floor for the welcome aboard party. But today, because it's so cold here, it looks like we're going to be doing it down in the atrium. So at night, these fountains, they light up in different colors of water. And well, I'm sure I'll find one at sea. So they have a bar and two areas over here. One over here on the right, and then they have another one over the skywalk. Let's go walk over the skywalk. I got to show you the skywalk. Okay, so they don't have rails on this one, so you don't have a walkway. You just can walk over it. It's a little different. Alright guys, so I found a beautiful spot right next to the pool deck, on the pool deck, and enjoying every minute right here. Oh my gosh, I just ordered a cocktail and I'm starting to really unwind for my days of travel. It was very nice. By the way, I just got off the Carnival Mardi Gras, and it was very simple to just come here to Fort Lauderdale from Cape Canaveral. I got a really good deal on a car rental, and I drove down here. It cost me just under $100 to come down here versus driving or flying. So yeah, fantastic. So I had a car all day yesterday. I went out and about and got to see Fort Lauderdale a little bit. And then today, here we are on the Regal Princess. How cool is that? Sorry about that. When they get on the loudspeaker, I hate to record over them. I can't compete. Anyway, so today we had the opportunity to have a really pleasant lunch at the Lido deck, and my mom's with me, both my moms, my mother-in-law and my mom. I brought them along with us so I can bring this adventure on my channel with y'all. When I had the opportunity to come to the East Coast, I thought to myself, what a better opportunity for me to jump on another ship while I was here. And it's a lot easier for me to get on the West Coast. That's where you see me travel a lot. But now that I'm on the East Coast, I thought I would travel and get on another Princess cruise. So we're going to go on the Eastern Caribbean this time. the last week's episodes were in the Western Caribbean, and I hope you enjoyed those. If you haven't, give it a shot. I put a link up here below. There was the Carnival Mardi Gras that we went on. And that sure was a beautiful ship, I'll tell you. Let me say this though. I absolutely love Princess, and that's why I'm on this ship, because I've been on the other two sister ships, the Majestic Princess and the Royal Princess, in the last year. And I'm telling you, they're so identical. I love them both. So anyways, that's the plan right now. Is just chill, have a great afternoon. The moms are, I'm going to refer to them as the moms. They're unpacking their suitcase, and right now I'm at the pool deck, and I just ordered a beverage to just unwind for the day. And that's the plan. That's about what I have planned for the entire day anyways. So we'll see you guys shortly, and see you in a moment. Alright guys, we are sailing away. How cool. Everybody, so this is like a stepping stone to get down. Oh wow. I love that noise that it makes. It reminds me of a river. Wow, that sure was cool, guys. I love my room already. This has been super cool. So what a great sail away. It's a different option, not having to go to the dance and all that kind of stuff, but wow, what a beautiful day. I'm enjoying every minute of it. Wow. All right, that's the Princess way. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go unpack my bags. See you in a sec. Bye-bye. Oh, well, we are rocking. Hi, guys. All right, we're headed to dining, and we're gonna bring you along. I can't wait. The first night's always my favorite. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so we finally made it to dinner, and there we go. Got a nice corner table to show you guys the menu. Here you go. I'm going to show you guys right here, and this is the first night. It's called a sail away dinner on their menu, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, everything looks amazing. Oh, I remember on the
oh, you do?
So the seared prawns are some of my favorites on the first night on, but you have to do the ceviche. It's delicious.
Oh, I know.
And of course, what would you have? Do me a favor, put a comment down below, and I can't wait to see what you have to say. All right, see you soon. Oh, that looks wonderful. Thank you. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing.
Yes, ma'am.
And now it just...
Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice.
By the way, would you like to have some fresh pepper?
Please.
No, I'm fine.
Perfect.
All right, guys. I came back for this shrimp. I mean, look at the grill marks on this. Look at that. I mean, it's just delicious. You see? It pops in your mouth. Outstanding. Outstanding. All right. Wow, we're on the right ship. All right, we'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so The goat cheese is phenomenal, okay? And then you put the roasted bell pepper with it, which kind of looks like that. Look at that. And oh my God. Winner. Go for it. Gotta have it. Excellent.
Thank you so much.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. All right, guys. Wow, this food looks amazing. So, the beef and pot roast, I'm telling you right now, that looks amazing. I'm gonna try it out with y'all because, oh wow. So they pipe the mashed potatoes. Kind of reminds me of a super fine pot roast with peas and carrots. Let me show you. Look at that. Get it in focus. Nice, huh? Very nice. And it's got a light gravy to it. Outstanding. Oh my gosh, the flavors. They're just like at home when I make a great pot roast on a Sunday night. It's the same thing. All right, guys, I'm going to enjoy my meal and I'll come back and see you in a minute. All right, I came back with the linguine and clams. Now, I did get, before I got on the camera, I did put my spoon to this so I can get it up into my fork. Let's give it a whirl. So the broth is like a garlic butter sauce with white wine. No cream. It's so delicious, and you can taste they used the water from the pasta to season the broth. And I know this because I'm a chef. And the reason why I bring this to your attention is that's the details that are missing if you didn't know. And I wanted to share that with you guys. Outstanding job. I can't wait for dessert. I'll show you in just a second. Thank you. All right, guys. Back just in time for dessert. Here's the menu. I can't wait to show you guys because it's looking pretty good. So when I was on the Majestic Princess, I see on the hot specialties, I ordered the Mexican coffee. It's on the menu this time. Outstanding. And then, of course, the best of all desserts is the Love Boat. You gotta try it. It's chocolate flavored. Yum. All right, we'll see you guys in a second. I just went through the buffet and they had barbecued ribs, barbecued chicken, hamburgers, hot dogs, all the fixings, potato salad, salads, lettuce, tomatoes for your hamburgers, and iced tea, lemonade, and water available. And there's cookies, fruit salad as well. It's a nice spread. Coleslaw, potato salad, and cold bean salad. Good selection. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat my lunch and I'll come back and see you after.